Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can enable dark mode on your Amazon app in your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy, so let's dive right into it. First of all, you have to remember that your system of your iPhone should be in dark mode just like this. Here you can see I'm on the settings and my phone is on dark mode. If it's not, you can get to the display and brightness and simply select dark. So after doing that here, if I open Amazon right now, here you can see we're on the light mode. In order to get to the dark mode, get to the settings. And from here, you can simply tap on accessibility. And from here, scroll all the way down, tap on per app settings. After doing that, tap on add app. And from here, simply select Amazon. So after doing that here, simply tap on Amazon one more time and then tap on smart invert. So after doing that, tap on and simply on this smart invert. Now you can simply go back and simply open your Amazon. Here you can see we're on the dark mode of Amazon application. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.